If you want to clean up your footage, remove mistakes, or just shorten a clip, learning how to cut parts of a video in CapCut is one of the most useful editing skills you can have. In this video, I'll show you two simple methods, trimming the ends of a clip and cutting the middle section out on PC. This is beginner friendly, fast, and once you learn it, you'll be able to edit much more confidently. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut guides. Let's jump in. First, let's cover the easiest method, which is trimming the ends of your video. This is perfect when you only want to remove the beginning or end of a clip. Start by tapping or clicking on your video clip in the timeline so it becomes selected. You'll know it's selected when it highlights in white. Once the clip is active, move your mouse to the left edge if you want to trim the start, or the right edge if you want to trim the end. Then just click and drag that edge inward until the unwanted part is removed. This method is great for quick cleanup. For example, if you started recording a little too early, you can trim off that extra silence. Or if the video ends before you're ready, you can quickly cut the ending down without affecting the rest of the clip. The best part is that this method is non-destructive in the sense that you're simply shortening the visible section of the clip, so it's very easy to fine-tune if you don't get it perfect on the first try. Now let's move on to method 2, which is cutting the middle of a video on CapCut PC. This is the method you'll use when you want to remove a section from the center of your clip, like a mistake, a pause, or any part you don't want in the final edit. First, move your timeline playhead to the exact starting point of the section you want to remove. The playhead is the vertical line that shows your current position in the video. Once you've placed it correctly, click the split tool in the timeline toolbar. This is usually shown with a scissors icon. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl+B. That will split the clip right where the playhead is positioned. After that, move the playhead to the end point of the section you want to delete. Again, click split or use Ctrl+B one more time. Now your clip will be divided into 3 separate pieces: the part before the cut, the part you want to remove, and the part after the cut. At this point, select the middle section you just created. This is the part you want to get rid of. Once it's highlighted, press delete on your keyboard. CapCut will remove that section and the remaining clips will stay in place. If there's a gap after deleting, you can simply drag the clips together so your timeline flows smoothly again. A helpful tip here is to zoom in on your timeline if you need more precision. That makes it much easier to place your playhead exactly where you want the cut to happen. Also, take your time when splitting, because the better your cut points are, the cleaner your final edit will look. Small adjustments can make a big difference in how polished your video feels. So to recap, if you want to cut parts of a video in CapCut, you can either trim the ends by dragging the edges of the clip, or split out the middle section on PC using the scissors tool or Ctrl+B, then delete the unwanted part. These two methods cover most basic cutting needs and are essential for smooth, professional-looking edits. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, editing tips, and beginner-friendly guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.